Hello, and thank you for taking the time to review our second half of 2024 highlights. My name is Jesse Sutton, and I'm a consultant certified in learning management. I'm located in Minnesota, USA, and work for Veritas Prime, a global SAP SuccessFactors partner. We are one of the world's leading HR transformative consultancies specializing in implementing and supporting SuccessFactors with clients across the globe. As part of our release coverage, I will be reviewing some key release updates for learning management. For complete release analysis, you can connect with us on our website at veritasprime.com using the Contact Us link. For current clients, please reach out to your project manager or CSM. Let's begin by looking at our first highlight. Our first release highlight is the new learning experience has been removed from integrated learning settings. This highlight points out an important change in how the new learning experience is being made available to users. As of this release, the option to disable the new learning experience has been removed from the integrated learning settings. This option has been removed to progress towards the deprecation of the legacy learning user interface scheduled for May of 2025. The switch to toggle between the legacy and new learning experience can be set to on, off, or hidden from user view. Our next highlight is the new team view for SuccessFactors Learning. When you're using the new learning homepage, you will see the refreshed team view page used to view and manage learning assignments for your team. From the new learning homepage, you can open the new team view by selecting Team View from the dashboard's menu. The new team view page opens with your team members listed in the left-hand region. The manager can select a team member to see a detailed view of their learning in the right-hand detail view. Team members are sorted alphabetically by first name, with those who have overdue items appearing first. A new feature that has been added is that the manager can now send a reminder to individual team members with overdue training. The More Action menu allows you to manage assignments, add to learning history, and manage enrollment. Additionally, the manager can use the Team View page to view and act on the individual learning details for each team member. Our next feature is the enhancements to administrator and peer suggestions. This enhancement will show the source of the recommendation that was made for the learning activity in the learning course home. For example, suggested by admin, peer, or personalized recommendation when that feature is enabled. This feature provides additional insights for the origin of the recommendation to learners when engaging with recommended training activities. This helps the learner understand who made the recommendation to encourage them to complete the training. Our next highlighted feature is the Browse Library for Enhanced Search, which was inspired by customer influence. When Enhanced Search is enabled, administrators can then enable the Browse Library feature by setting Enable Browse Library to True in System Configuration. If you do not have LMS categories configured and do not want to use this feature, the configuration will be set to false by default, which hides the Browse Library feature. When enabled, this feature utilizes your existing LMS categories to assist the users in finding learning activities without entering keywords. This allows for easier and faster navigation to find training activities by browsing across existing LMS categories. Our next highlight is the custom pages on the new Learning homepage, which was also inspired by customer influence. You can create custom pages with banners and custom sections tailored to your learners' needs. Customers can use this feature for additional capabilities to create a more engaging user experience through the custom banners and cards linking to external resources from their custom pages. Depending on the active period, the status of the cards and banners, and the organizations or groups which the learners belong, they can view the top 5 banners and top 8 cards in each section. A new permission has been added to allow admins to manage custom pages and cards. The LMS admin must have the newly added Learning Admin Permission Manage Custom Experience to manage these pages. Lastly, there are some deprecated functions to be aware of. Legacy Learning homepage, News feature in Learning, and Legacy item details will all be deleted on May 16, 2025. The SuccessFactors Learning Token Server for API access for Learning APIs will be deleted on November 20th, 2026. It is recommended to start using the SAP SuccessFactors Platform OAuth Token Server for LMS API Token Server authentication. These features will no longer be available after the deletion date. Application owners should plan to adopt the replacement functionality prior to these dates. Thank you for your time. Goodbye.